Hi everyone, I'm Evie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute and simple flower. It's a quick and beginner friendly tutorial and I've gone nice and slow so you can follow along comfortably. I'm gonna use hook number 4 for this video, but for example that was made by hook number 6. That was hook number 2, 3 and 4. So let's start. We're starting with slip knot. Chain 6, slip stitch to that first chain, chain 3, and this is count as our first double crochet. Now let's make 2 double crochet into that ring. Chain 5, and 3 double crochet. Chain 5, and now we're gonna repeat 3 times same pattern. So 3 double crochet, and chain 5. Another 3 double crochet, and chain 5. Three double crochet, and chain 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slip stitch to the beginning of the chain 3, which is here, and if you would like, you can change the color if you want to have a 2-color flower. In that middle double crochet, make a single crochet, and now we're gonna work on that chain. Make a half double crochet, now 4 double crochet, chain 3, and we're gonna make a slip stitch in that V here. Do 4 double crochet, and 1/2 double crochet. So this is our first petal, and we're gonna repeat that all around. I will do that with you. So single crochet on the middle double crochet from the previous round, half double crochet, 4 double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch in here, four double crochet, and 1/2 double crochet, and single crochet and in the middle double crochet, and half double crochet, 4 double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch, four double crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet in the middle, and again half double crochet, 4 double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch, four double crochet, and 1/2 double crochet, single crochet here on the middle, and the last petal half double crochet, 4 double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch, chain 4, 4 double crochet, sorry, half double crochet, and slip stitch in the first single crochet. Now we fasten off and weave in the ends. And finish. Please let me know what do you think about that video, and also if my accent for you is okay and you like this kind of form when I'm talking, because it's my first video ever when I talk to the microphone, and I hope you enjoy the video and the tutorial was easy and my accent wasn't too much annoying. Hopefully, and I wish a good day to everyone, and please leave a comment and subscribe.